Dive into the evolving sound of progressive house and discover what's next for 2025. Progressive house is constantly reinventing itself, and as we look towards 2025, several key shifts are shaping its sonic landscape. Expect to see a greater emphasis on intricate rhythmic structures. Producers are experimenting with polyrhythms and syncopation, moving beyond traditional 4/4 patterns to create more sophisticated and grooving foundations. New technologies will play a significant role. Think advanced AI-powered sound design tools, generative music algorithms, and immersive spatial audio mixing techniques that will push the boundaries of what's possible. Emerging artists are drawing inspiration from a wider array of global influences, blending progressive house sensibilities with elements from Afro house, melodic techno, and even cinematic sound design. This fusion will lead to richer, more emotive tracks. Listener preferences are also shifting. There's a growing appetite for tracks that build tension and release with a strong emotional arc, prioritizing depth and atmosphere alongside dance floor energy. Production techniques will likely focus on creating vast sonic textures. This means intricate layering of synths, expressive automation, and creative use of effects like reverb and delay to craft immersive soundscapes that draw listeners in. Expect to hear more organic, analogy-inspired sounds. Even when produced digitally, the warmth and character of vintage synths and outboard gear are being emulated and integrated in innovative ways, adding a tangible, human element. So, as you craft your progressive house tracks for 2025, keep these trends in mind: intricate rhythms, technological innovation, global influences, emotional depth, and rich, textured sound design. The future of progressive house is bright and evolving.